We see Opportunity Neighborhoods not as just a program, but really a collaborative that brings together many partners to achieve the goals that we've outlined. We're celebrating our first anniversary and some of the programmatic accomplishments that we've made so far. We've established an after-school program at Mount Vernon High School, and we've supplemented after-school programming at Whitman Middle School. In addition, we've brought other programming to other communities throughout the Opportunity Neighborhoods, and we're very excited about our school readiness team, which is working with child care providers in the community to ensure that children are being prepared to enter school at kindergarten ready to learn. The bus tour was important to give our partners an opportunity to visualize our Opportunity Neighborhood. Many of them do a lot of work in small sections of the community and never are able to see their piece of the puzzle in a broader context. The other thing we wanted to show is sort of what a day in the life of a resident in this neighborhood might be and some of the challenges that they may face. Many of the children and families living in this community suffer through economic challenges, which then result in a failure to thrive at school. On the positive end, though, this community was chosen because there's a network of community partners, nonprofits, and community-based organizations and faith-based organizations already invested in supporting the needs of children and families in this community. Opportunity Neighborhoods has a very lofty goal that all children will succeed, and so we're very much committed to that. So at the end of the day, we're going to keep on working until that goal is achieved. So we're excited and we celebrate our accomplishments in this first year, but we're really looking forward not just to the programs, but to the sense of community that Opportunity Neighborhoods continues to bring.